Hi guys, this is Alan from Thursday Financial. How are you today? For today, since recently I have received quite a lot of questions asking me when I should not trade. For today, I will show you a few situations that you should not be trading. You should be avoid trading in the bond option market. For the strategy that I'm using for today is gonna be the range market trading strategy, which is the Bollinger Bands with MACD. So you will be able to see how I identify a range market and how I decide whether to enter the market or not. First we will set up the technical indicators. Now we will go to the indicator. Just click on the indicator. That one there. And then now we will select the Bollinger Bands. Put a tick on Bollinger Bands. Okay, so next we will open the drop down. So open the drop down for Bollinger Bands. Then now we will just deselect all the lines on the left and keep the one on the right. And for parameter, we just leave it at default, so nothing to change on the parameter. Now Bollinger Band is set, then we go to oscillator, then we select the MACD. So now we will open the drop down for MACD. Okay, open the drop down, then go to parameter. So parameter we are using is 5, 35, and 5. So again, EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, signal is 5. So now the both of the indicators are set, then we can close this window. Then the last thing I will be making sure is the chart period and option periods. So chart period is a 10 seconds chart and I'll be trading with a 30 seconds option. So again, chart period is 10 seconds, option period is 30 seconds. So now we are all good to go. So now we are actually looking at a range market. So I will explain it to you how do we identify a range market. But for now, I will place my trade first because it's the timing to trade. Okay, so the timing for us to make a trade using this strategy is when the candlestick approach to the lower band, and then we move on to the MACD. Then I need the two lines to cross over and gives me a green histogram. So now I have two bullish indication telling me that the price is going up. That's why I opened my trader. So now the trade is ending in profit. So how do I identify the price is in a range market? So I think I've talked about quite many times. So it's pretty simple. So all we need to do is just to look for a higher price above the candlestick and a lower price below the candlestick. So if we put two lines there, then we'll see that the price is moving within the range. Then we know that the price is within a range market. So we use a range market to trade with that price movement. So now I just try to look for another. Okay, so here is the example that you should not trade. So now just take a look at these lines here. So you see quite a lot of lines. That's the flat candlestick. So when you see these lines, it means that the price is actually not moving for a few candlesticks, and then suddenly it just falls down or jumps up. So that's the times that you should not trade when you see these the flat candlesticks, because when you see these candlesticks, the chances for a sudden movement is high. So you cannot predict sudden movements actually. So you do not trade when you see candlestick is flat, or you see there are quite a lot of gaps here. So if you see the gaps there, you do not trade as well, because that indicates sudden movements as well. So that's the tip for you when you should not trade. Okay, so now I will just since I couldn't trade that with the previous market, I will just browse on different currency pairs here. And okay, so back to the euro and Japanese yen. So I will place a trade here. So again, the candlestick approach to the lower band, and then I move on to the MACD, and then the two lines crossover, and then I have a green histogram. So again, those two are the bullish indication. So that's why I opened it a high option here. So well, now the trade is about to finish, and I'm guessing I'm gonna make this trade in profit. Okay, so yeah, it's ending in profit. So we will take a look at the history. Okay, history. So trade history. Okay, so two trades for today, and both of them were ending in profit. So recently I think the strategy I have been talking about is I've been talking about a few strategies, but then some of them I've been talking about for quite many times. And if you still have any question, or if you want me to talk about a new strategy, just let me know what strategy that you want to know about. And of course, it has to be the indicators that is available in the Line Binary Option platform. So if you are interested in some of the strategy, let me know, and then I will try to explain it to you and make it into a video. So okay, so that's it for today. If you do have any question, leave me a comment down there as well. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.